The Early Show continues now from the General Motors building in New York City.
14 years ago, the Food and Drug Administration banned silicone breast implants in the U.S., saying they were unsafe. Well, now the FDA has reversed itself, voting Friday to lift that ban. Our Dr. Emily Sine is here to tell us a little bit more about this. Hi, Emily.
Good morning, Renee. Well, the implants are now back on the market, but there are some strings attached. They're back. The FDA decision comes after years of controversy about the safety of the silicone implants. Until now, silicone implants were available only to patients in FDA-approved clinical trials. New York surgeon Dr. Jennifer Walden has tested two newer versions of the implants. One of the major criticisms of all implants has been the tendency to rupture, or the fact that they really don't last a lifetime. Does this new approval in any way alleviate that problem?
With silicone implants, one of the nice things is that they're made with more cohesive gel today, which basically means it's more like Jell-O. If you cut it, it doesn't leak or bleed.
Most doctors and many patients have maintained that silicone implants look and feel better than the saline versions. Maria Gomez traveled all the way to Colombia to get silicone implants during the ban. And you chose silicone, why?
It feels more natural. I know someone with saline. I felt the saline before. I didn't like the way it felt.
Recently, Dr. Walden changed Maria's implants because she felt they were deflating. It was in 1962 that silicone implants became widely available, and it was in the 1980s that controversy began brewing. In 1992, the FDA pulled them from the market because of concerns that implants might be linked to serious diseases like cancer and lupus.
The FDA, silicone is not okay.
But large studies and a review by the Institute of Medicine ultimately showed that while many implants break and leak, there was no link to serious illness. Critics like Amy Alina of the National Women's Health Network say still more research needs to be done.
We can't tell you what's going to happen over the long term to this implant that's been put in your body. We think that's a pretty serious health concern.
But surgeons like Dr. Walden say the FDA has it right.
It's been the most studied medical device ever, and I believe they're safe for human use, and they probably have been for some time now.
But the sale of the implants do come with some new rules. They will be sold only to women over the age of 22, and the FDA is requiring the makers to do 10-year studies following 40,000 women to look for side effects. Meanwhile, of course, this has little effect on the billions paid out in lawsuits when Dow Corning went bankrupt.
Interesting. All right, now we have some samples here. This is the
newer version. Remember the old version, the silicone leaked right out. This is cut in half. You don't see any leakage at all. It won't migrate.
Very sticky, yeah.
In the way that the older ties. Absolutely.
All right, and then also, these are not lifetime devices.
Not lifetime devices. 69% of women went on to need second surgeries.
Yeah. All right, Emily Sine, thanks for bringing this information to us. Appreciate it.